Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to check Instagram login history. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device. Now, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see the profile icon. Tap on it. You will direct to your profile page. Next, on the top right corner of your screen, tap on the three-line icon. From the pop-up menu, click on Settings. Then, tap on Security from the given options. Now click on Login Activity. And you will see all the history of your Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to check your login history on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.